So friends, as I have promised you, I will show you Louis' home properly, whatever they have, the facilities I will show you. So this is a room, this is deluxe room you can say. So if you want to have you have little bit less budget and you want to spend your personal time with your partner, so this is the amenities here. This is the kitchen you can have, you can cook by yourself. Chimney is here and this is induction, microwave, and they have given some things also so that you can cook, salt and all things are there. So this is dryer, you can see pressure cooker and everything already there, and these are the plates and spatula, whatever you need actually, and properly all equipments are available. If you want to do party also, you can come here and cook because everything is available. This one is also a dryer. So there is a basin also there. So properly made kitchen you can have here. And just beside this you can have a washroom with a shower place. And what is actually needed, shower and see towels are also given here. Everything is very clean and perfectly clean. They have maintained it very properly. So this is a basic thing here, and this is a mirror, long mirror, just beside the washroom. You can come and have this. It's like a 5-star, kind of 3-star room you can say. So just beside this you can have a refrigerator also, and this is a place you can sit, have your food also like that. This is a place and this is a cupboard, and both are cupboards are available. And this is a king size bed also. So this bed is also very nice. So very clean white bed is there also. And see, there is a TV just in front of the bed. So you can watch anything, Netflix or Prime Video, YouTube, everything is available. And this is a place for sitting work and all. If you come here, you can sit, and coffee mug, everything is available. And there is a chair also here. And just in front of this, there is a black sofa. This is very beautiful. You can sit, you can have your food. So this sofa is also very nice. You can watch your TV, you can enjoy your time, you can have food here, you can relax here also. This one is big one. So the thing I will show you, just in front of this there is a veranda, balcony. Wow. Have some good air and sunlight is very good here, you can see. So this is the deluxe room. Come inside please. Because AC is also available here. So this is the AC room, and what I am doing, I will spend my good time here also. So this is Louis' home, and very comfortable and very nice. So people, whenever you come, you want to stay also. This one is also available. You can spend your time here also. So be with me for further video. So friends, you can see the whole terrace, and the view is very beautiful upstairs. So you can come here and have your private party or something like that. You can enjoy also. There is no interference, and this place is very peaceful and very enjoyable. So I will suggest you just come and book the place, Louis Hotel. So everything is available here, and this is very new and with this kind of amenities and this kind of thing only you can have in 5 stars. So I think this is a good place to stay. So just come and subscribe our channel Ullas Entertainment. This is Smita Sana with lots of love. I will come back again with lots of new places and lots of new videos for you.